Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Power the Chromecast and confirm the LED shows a steady color. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network and that any VPN or mobile hotspot is off. Then, restart both the router and the Chromecast, unplug each for 10 seconds, plug back, and wait until the LED stabilizes. This clears transient network conflicts and prepares both devices to rediscover each other, so the next steps will be faster and more reliable. Now open the Google Home app and look for your Chromecast. Tap the device and choose Setup if it appears. If the app cannot find it, toggle your phone's Wi-Fi and location permissions because discovery relies on local network access. Make sure your phone is connected to the same SSID and if your router uses separate too. 4 and 5 GHz bands connect to the band your Chromecast supports, often 2. 4 GHz is more stable. Once the app recognizes the device, follow on-screen pairing to complete setup. Finish by entering Wi-Fi credentials in the app, naming the Chromecast, and testing casting with a simple app like YouTube or the Chrome browser. If connectivity still fails after these steps, perform a factory reset. Hold the Chromecast button for about 25 seconds until the LED changes, then release. Make sure to reboot the router after a reset, and then repeat the setup so any cached router entries are cleared. If problems persist, try another device to isolate whether the phone or Chromecast is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.